Resetting your voicemail, call, app, or website.
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common question. Is there a specific number I need to call to reset my voicemail, or can I do it through an app or website? Well, the answer varies depending on your specific service provider. Let's delve into the details.
Can I reset my voicemail by calling a specific number?
Yes, most of the time, you can reset your voicemail by calling a specific number. Typically, you would call your own number from your phone and follow the prompts to change your voicemail settings. If you've forgotten your voicemail password, you might have to call customer service for your specific carrier. They can reset it for you, and then you'd create a new password next time you access your voicemail.
Can I reset my voicemail through an app?
Absolutely. Many service providers have mobile apps that give you access to your account settings, including your voicemail. You can usually reset your voicemail settings from there, but the specific steps can vary depending on the app and the provider. For instance, on some apps, you'd go to Settings, then Phone, and Change Voicemail Password.
Can I reset my voicemail through a website?
Yes, you can typically reset your voicemail through your service provider's website as well. After logging into your account, you'd look for a section related to your phone or voicemail settings. There, you should find an option to change or reset your voicemail password. In conclusion, whether you're resetting your voicemail by calling a specific number, using an app, or through a website, the process should be pretty straightforward. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact your service provider for help. We hope this video has been helpful and clarifies your voicemail reset options. Until next time, take care.